Alright, man, back out in the shop, back on the 5.0 build, back on the 331 build, whatever you want to call it. We back on it. I'm finna, I think the only thing left is to pull the pistons and the crank, and the lifters, they wouldn't come out up top, so I'm gonna push them out the bottom once I get the pistons and the crank out of there. So I'm finna turn the block over, take the mains off, and we finna try to pull this crank out. And I haven't bought anything yet, so y'all gonna have to be real patient with me while I get all my crank, my pistons, and my rods. And I'm gonna take it to the machine shop. I got to find a machine shop first, but I'm gonna take it to the machine shop, and I'm gonna let them balance the crank. But as far as everything else, I want to install it because I want to, I had never done it, so I want to learn how to do it. And I want to show anybody that's watching how to do it. So y'all stay tuned. Finna get the camera set up. We finna flip the block over, and we finna start pulling this stuff out, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, man. Got the Harbor Freight engine stand. With all this oil over here. Try to flip this bad boy upside down. It's a little heavy. I might have to put this camera down, man. I'm gonna put the camera down, flip it over, then I'm gonna get y'all set up. So y'all hold tight for me. Alright, man, so if I'm being honest, this is my first time actually doing this. But I think I seen people take the pistons and the rods off first, and then I think I seen them take the crank out. So I'm gonna try it that way. Cause I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know, so we finna go for it. It's my first time doing it, so we finna go for it. Alright, man, checking in. Got the block completely assembled. Disassembled. Got the block completely disassembled. I'm finna bring y'all in, get y'all a closer look. Everything looked pretty good to me, but like I said, the last say so goes to the machine shop. But we got to find a machine shop. Whole block broke down. All the important pieces are put in bags and stuff, man. So we finna take a look at it together, man. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna move straight into the most important part. I got a little light. As y'all can see, cylinder walls look pretty decent. Nothing abnormal that I can see, at least. If y'all can see down in there, y'all can't. Yes, if I put that right, it's all kind of gunky mesh all down in these ports. But I think like one of these is like an oil port or something, and the other one's like a water port. I don't know, something like that. Everything look good right there. Same thing on this side. Everything look pretty good from what I could see at least. And then here go the pistons. I'm gonna just show y'all one, which I mean y'all saw them, but I broke them when I was pushing them out. They was falling to the ground. I was just letting them fall because I definitely not reusing those. Don't plan on reusing the crank either. Definitely not gonna reuse the crank. And like I said, unless something dramatic happens, but that's the crank. Here go the lifters. I was finally able to get those out, but as y'all can see, these are flat tappet lifters, and if you don't know why they're called flat tappet lifters, it's because they're flat right now. So that's why you see they flat. All these are flat. Flat tappet lifters, roller lifters have a roller. So that's what we got, man. So next video, we're gonna be trying to find a machine shop. I think over here is some mess down here. We're trying to deem some of this stuff up. Got all the main caps, and now the other 4 pistons. So I'm trying to deem some of this stuff up. And next video, man, we're gonna be going to the machine shop. If I'm being honest, I don't know when. Alright, man, so in the next video, we're gonna be getting ready to go to the machine shop. Honestly, I hadn't even found a machine shop yet, so I honestly couldn't tell you when that's gonna be or how long it's gonna be before we go to a machine shop, but I gotta make a few phone calls and talk to a few people. And I know I gotta get the crank first, the rods and the pistons, because I know they have to measure all that stuff. And like I said, I'm gonna let them pretty much assemble, put the crank in and balance it, and then I'm gonna put the pistons and the rods and put the whole rest of it together myself with the help of a few people gonna be guiding me through this whole process. But like I said, this is my first time, but we on the way. 331 build is pretty close to being done, man. So y'all just stay tuned, cause it's getting ready to go down. It's getting ready to go down. This 331 gonna be going in this car soon, man. So I appreciate all the support. Appreciate all the likes, follows. If you're on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you at, man, YouTube, I appreciate you, man. I wouldn't been able to do it without y'all, man. So appreciate y'all, man. PullsTv.